Hey guys, at this week's Pep Assembly, we are going to be playing 3 games. One of those 3 games is musical chairs. We will have 3 kids from each grade level play against 2 teachers. So, let's go. Stop.
Oh! All right, remove a chair. Remove a chair.
One chair stand.
Oh no.
What?
And that's how you play musical chairs.
Hey guys.
The other activities that we're going to be doing in the Pep Assembly is tug of war.
We will have 7 kids from each grade be on each side. And the winners go against the teachers. One of the last and final games at the Pep Assembly is the snake game. So as you see here, Lydia has the ball and is going to be walking all the way over. You're going to be doing it full court though. And Olive will add on. She has a ball behind her back and you'll just keep going. But if someone drops the ball, oh, they're out. So whoever can get all 6 people down and across wins.